You look like a little kid. Go away. I'm going to get my phone fixed. Yay. Gonna get my phone fixed, yes I am. I'm gonna get my phone fixed. I want to put this somewhere, but I don't know where to put it. I shouldn't put it anywhere right now. So, it's 3:30. The guy who's fixing my phone doesn't get to his house until 4. So, I got half an hour of just waiting at the mall. I guess it's not the worst place to be waiting. I could go inside, but I also can't be bothered. So I'm meeting Nima here because I can. See him soon. Hello.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Walking down the road on the low.
No, it's walking down the street on the lane.
Well, I'm trying to change it up.
Walking down the street with a lonely guy.
I'm walking down the street on a lonely day.
You can't change up an original song. Guess how many times I've had McDonald's in the past week? In the past 10 days?
Probably less than me.
I don't know.
6 times?
10 times in the last 10 days.
Wow, it's definitely more than me.
1 time a day.
I'm gonna say something, don't get offended.
What?
You're really fat.
Look at that big satellite. What channels do you think they get on that?
1 to 2.
1 to 2. So we're going to pick up the phone now. Hopefully I have exact coinage. Well, I counted it out, I'm pretty sure I do. You're right in the shot anyway. Yeah, and then back to Goon it is.
I feel weird having a camera in front of me. People in cars just stare at me like, what's going on? Yeah.
I'm uber excited because I've got a fully functional phone. There we go. My phone literally looks brand new. We're off to see John at Coffee Culture. Some of you probably won't know John. You'll get to meet him. This is a coffee. This is a John.
How are you doing?
I'm doing quite swell, thank you.
That's good.
John needs a new car, get him one.
No, don't need a new car, need a
A new motor.
New motor.
For what?
For my Celica.
John needs a new motor for his Celica.
Oh, and if anyone has seen my old black car, the Merino, the loudest Merino you'll ever see, tell me about it.
Tell him about it. It looks like round 2 started.
Oh, shit! I mean, shivers.
Sugar.
Sugar, honey, iced tea.
Whatever, you can't do that, it's cheating.
Whoa!
It's gonna get me in the face.
3, 2, 1,
God.
you almost got KO'd in the face.
So that's another daily vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Love, peace and chicken grease. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.